Let's take a look at the label applicator machine. If the micro label applicator machine gives a ribbon alarm or a no ribbon feed warning, how do we troubleshoot it? If there's a ribbon alarm, the first thing we do is stop the machine. After stopping it, we take out the ribbon and check, excuse me, clears throat, how much of the ribbon has been used? Has a lot been used? Is it finished? Has the ribbon already run out? Is it used up? If it's used up, we need to replace it promptly. Replace it in time. Or check if the ribbon is broken. Specifically, it depends on what kind of error is being reported, right? What kind of alarm is it? Also, if everything with the ribbon seems normal, let's check if there's an issue with the sensor, whether the ribbon sensor is malfunctioning. That's a ribbon alarm. First, we need to carefully take out the printer ribbon and thoroughly inspect it. After gently removing the front panel, let them meticulously check the ribbon to see exactly what's truly going on, whether there's a clear break, if it's badly wrinkled or perhaps creased, if it's completely used up, or if it's actually a sensor issue that needs attention. We need to analyze each specific problem accordingly. This is the order we follow for troubleshooting. First, check the ribbon, see if it needs to be replaced, if it's used up, or if there's a break, and so on. Then finally, check if the sensor is malfunctioning. If the ribbon is fine, then the problem might be with the sensor. If the ribbon isn't moving, the first thing we need to check is whether the machine signal connection is correct. Make sure the signal to the machine is properly connected. Another thing to check is whether the ribbon is wound correctly. For right-handed machines, use the right-handed winding method. For left-handed machines, use the left-handed threading and winding method. If it's wound the wrong way, it won't work either. In other words, is the signal we're sending correct? Right? Is the machine actually receiving the intended signal, or is there some kind of issue preventing it from doing so effectively? These are all things we need to check. Of course, if the motor is damaged or the trigger is faulty, that can also cause the ribbon not to move.